कहाँ बैठते हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं?
आइए सर बैठ लीजिए।
हाँ
Hello, Dharanjit. Our hero.
जी हाँ सर श्रीकांत बढ़िया हाँ संजय यार
बिल्कुल भी ऐसा
And Vinod, the writer, scriptwriter and dialogue great man. हम दादा के साथ ग्रुप का हीरोइन के
See, that's, I mean, that's experience. जब तक experience नहीं आता तब तक
तू का तो नहीं बॉम्बे जो
माँ अगर ना उल्लास है ना लोग तो माँ
उल्लास लगा दादा मेरी यारी आवाज लगा पप्पू का नाम
माँ होता है
अच्छा उल्लास लगा
born bed
एक भी पिक्चर हुई ना वो मैंने भाई जो तमन्ना खानी है
प्यार का
और मैं 5 मिनट आया वो पिक्चर ही प्यार का मिस आया और जल्दी दिया ये उनमें भी हो
ना उन्होंने
इनमें हीरो
इनमें हीरो
उन्होंने फिल्म का आपको माही फिल्म टेलीविजन वो नहीं बिजी
वो फिल्म जो हीरो जतिन लालवानी
जिते ना
जतिन नाटक तो अच्छे हैं सीरियल
अगर तो हमें दुल्हन जैसे ना होगा तो नंबर 1 शो टीम
दुल्हन दुल्हन
I'm playing the negative
अच्छा आप जरा घूमो
मूवी के बारे में कहना है ना there's a film called Awakening and it's a crossover film and the film basically dwells about a girl's quest for her own roots, a girl called Sindhu who lives in America, who has lived all her entire youth in America, and she's doing a thesis. She's an archaeological student and she's doing a thesis on Mohenjo-daro and Harappa civilizations, and she happens to discover that her lineage somewhere belongs to this particular civilization, and she's traveling all across to India to discover it. So it's basically the quest of a girl of her own roots. That is basically what the film is about.
सर इस पिक्चर का आइडिया आपको कैसे है?
Idea basically, this is not my germ basically. It came to me from the producer, Mrs. Koshi Lalwani. We happened to meet and she bounced this idea to me. Essentially, this was basically dramatized as a ballet out in Dubai, and this ballet was shown to me and this film is basically an adaptation of that particular ballet. It was a ballet called Jaag Sindhi Jaag. But then it was not cinematic at that point of time, so we had to bring in some more characters inside and construct the whole story. That's how it happened basically.
ये क्या आपकी पहली पिक्चर है?
नहीं, मैंने इसकी पहले भी फिल्में लिखी है. There are some films on the pipeline. I'm writing some foreign films also. There is a film called Palestine: The Day of Revenge, which I'm doing with New Line Cinema basically. And there is another film called War Tone, which is again a film which is being produced by a German company called as Ed Films, and so it's a very futuristic film with a lot of British actors in that film. There are two essential films which I am writing. There are some more films in the pipeline which probably in some time that will come.
बॉलीवुड के लिए कोई पिक्चर आपने लिखी है, लिख रहे हैं
आजकल लिख रहा हूँ. एक फिल्म है, एक कॉमेडी फिल्म है. आई एम सॉरी. बाकी फिल्म से क्या है, एक मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा में एक नॉर्मल कमर्शियल सिनेमा जो होता है उसकी सारी इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, लेकिन इसको हम लोग प्लेस किए हैं एक क्रॉसओवर सिनेमा की जैसे. टू डिफरेंट कल्चर्स. सी मैं अगर इस फिल्म के बारे में अगर एग्जैक्टली अगर मैं एक परसेप्शन प्लेस करना चाहूँ तो इट वुड बी बेसिकली टू स्टोरीज meeting at one point of time. Now what are these two stories? One is about this girl whose name is coincidentally Sindhu, and Sindhu is again a culture. और बेसिकली ए सिविलाइजेशन विच लाइज ऑन द बैंक्स ऑफ इंडस वैली, जो बेसिकली जिसको हम लोग नॉर्मली मोहनजोदारो एंड हड़प्पा सिविलाइजेशन कहते हैं, तो वो सिविलाइजेशन की एक कहानी है जिसको हम इस लड़की की कहानी के साथ जोड़ रहे हैं. दैट इज़ वाई इट्स सर्टनली डिफरेंट. बाकी जो एक कमर्शियल सिनेमा की जितने इंग्रेडिएंट्स है, वो सारी इंग्रेडिएंट्स उस फिल्म में है. म्यूज़िक है, एक रोमांटिक लाइन है, इमोशंस है, ऑल दोज थिंग्स हैव बीन ट्रीटेड. And to me, what appeals me as a writer for the film is that it's a film which is made out of heart. Because it is said that in cinema we use only 20% of our brains, and I have always believed that we use only 10% of our heart. But this film basically, I think, sets a new precedent. And it's a film which is basically made out of heart. There's a lot of heart in the film.
My avocation, because it's connected with Sindhi culture, and I had to encourage this great producer. So I just went there, but she gave me a script which I discarded there and then. Chief, and I said something on my own, absolutely. Like that.
Do you like working on the set?
What is an advocate except an actor? We act all our life in court.
Steps you take to promote Sindhi culture?
Well, it is a forgotten culture, and not only for non-Sindhis but even for Sindhis. They really don't know their ancient roots in the Indus civilization. So it is time that the rest of the people knew, and probably Sindhis will be more respected in India after this.
Any actor you like in Bollywood?
Frankly, I don't see films, but I saw one yesterday, and that is Jodha Akbar. I must have seen it after 3 years, some picture, but I went and saw it. I liked it immensely. I liked both the actor, of course, the actress I have seen before, but I think I like her the best today. You're welcome.
Namaskar, welcome, welcome, big welcome, big welcome. This is so very awakening.
खुशी खुशी
Precious video.
वेलकम
Glad.
आप सर इधर इधर अंदर इधर इधर चलना अंदर चलो सीधा अंदर चलो ऐसा कुछ नहीं
Advani, would you like to say something about this film?
No, I have not seen it. That's a good one.
अंधेरे में
बाइट ले ले
Think all the dialogues are in English. It's just that the musical aspect of this movie has Sindhi songs. That's why we call it a Singlish movie. But otherwise, unfortunately, there are just a few words that I've learned in Sindhi and the song, of course. Apart from that, all is in English.
We hear that you get a huge lecture at the end of the cinema from Mr. Ramjesh Madani.
Yes, it's not in the end. Actually, it's in that's where the turning point of the movie, that I get a huge big lecture from Mr. Ramjesh Madani ji, and that's where there's a big change in me. You shall certainly see that, and it's a very interesting lecture, and he has really awakened me also in a lot of aspects. I would definitely like to say that he has added up some more information out of the script in that little lecture, which has really touched me, and I would say that is called research about the character and talking more about the lecture, I mean, more in details.
He's been a great lawyer.
Yes.
Mesmerized several clients and the judges.
Yes.
He's been a politician, good orator. Can he act?
He has done a great job. You will see that. Certainly, you'll certainly see that. He's done an excellent job.
How?
It's very natural. I think it comes out very naturally for him because he has been talking and giving lectures, and I think he did the same thing, and he did it with so much from his heart that you can make it out that he was, many people, they're actors who would stick to lines and things like that, but he went out of his way, added his own information in it, and that means he was talking so much from his heart, and it's very much obvious and visible out there that it was very natural and it came out very easy for him. I mean, it was very, I would say, very natural acting. It didn't look like it that he was acting.
A lot of focus of this cinema is going to be Mr. Ramjesh Madani because he is a very popular man.
Yes, certainly.
And so how would it be a cinema for you while the focus might be on a man who's been largely a lawyer and a parliamentarian?
He's a very charming man, definitely. I would not like to steal any kind of say footage from him. I mean, I would not want to steal any importance than him. I would respect him a lot, and he's a wonderful human being. I would want him to have all the charm and all the importance in this movie, definitely.
And would you like to act with somebody like him again?
Certainly. It's been a pleasure. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I myself got to learn quite a few things while he was around. So definitely, he's a very senior person. And
see you with improved Sindhi next time meet him.
Certainly, yes, of course.
Thank you.
The human being as an Indian, मैं कह सकती हूँ कि बहुत कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला। मैं खुद बाहर रह चुकी हूँ और जितनी जानकारी मुझे अब हमारे कल्चर के बारे में नहीं थी वो इस मूवी के दौरान और बाहर रह के मिली है। और सिंधी कल्चर के बारे में काफ़ी जानकारी मिली है। एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग, एज एन इंडियन, हमारी जो हेरिटेज है और हमारी जो रूट्स है इसके तरफ काफ़ी आई मीन बहुत कुछ जानने को मिला।
ये बताइए कि आप अब टेलीविज़न की ओर देख रही हैं, मूवीज़ की ओर देख रही हैं, पाइपलाइन में क्या है?
जी फ़िलहाल तो मैं मूवीज़ की ओर ही देख रही हूँ क्योंकि आई थिंक फिल्म मेकिंग एक बहुत अलग कॉन्सेप्ट है और बहुत डिटेल्स में बारीकियों में काम की जाती है एंड आर्ट एंड आई डेफिनेटली वुड लाइक टू डू। और फिलहाल मैंने 1-2 मराठी मूवीज़ की हैं और क्योंकि मैं मराठी हूँ ओरिजिनली। बिसाइड्स दिस एक साइलेंट मूवी कुमार जी के साथ है, कुमार गौरव जी के साथ, माय डैडी स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट एंड रेस्ट। आई वुड से दिस इज़ माई लॉन्च पैड। ये मेरे लिए बहुत ही डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट है, बहुत ही अवेयरनेस और अवेकनिंग वाली सब्जेक्ट है एंड एक यंगस्टर। मुझे इतना कुछ सीखने के लिए मिला तो मुझे लगता है कि सबको इसमें सबको एक मैसेज ज़रूर मिलेगा।
ये बताइए काफ़ी पॉलिटिशियन फिल्म कैसे लगी सर?
Malani in several roles. This is a slightly new one.
This is Mrs.
It's a guest appearance so far as Ram is concerned.